So students that complete the program, they can get a certification, either State of Michigan certification or a Student ASE certification. Some students go right to work. Recently I was at a dealership and 8 of our former students were working there. So that was great to see. Some students decide to go to further training. They'll go off to a trade school or a community college. And then we have some students that take it to the next level. They'll go to a university and study engineering.
There are 3 total certifications they can earn. One of them they have to wait until 1 year after high school to earn, which is the ASE Industry Certification. And the other they can earn while they're a student here. So it's the Michigan Mechanic Certification they can earn as a student. We give that testing right here in class. And then the other one they can earn is an ASE Student Certification, which is a student version of the national certification that they can earn.
We also assist students in job placement. So if a lot of our students that are out currently working, if it doesn't work in that facility, they can always come back and we'll assist them in finding new employment.
Well, the automotive technology means to me having opportunities and having those skills. And it's really cool that I'm a girl and I want to do all these things that girls don't do. I was always into building and fixing things, and it was really cool knowing that. And it's not just building cars, it's a lot of communication and teaching you how to talk to people and how to get interviews and how to talk to employers. So I really appreciate that.
Automotive program to me personally is a way of training myself for what I want to do when I'm older. I want to end up somewhere in automotive, engine performance and aerodynamics performance, something like that. And the tools and readily available opportunities for colleges and internships and work studies really further the fact that I can be confident in what I'm doing and get the opportunities that are necessary to accomplish my goal.
I'm probably going to go to Oakland Community College so I can continue in automotive, and then I'm planning to open my own shop.